Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I get this side part bob wig. This hair is from Asteria hair and I've had it for quite a while, for the most part of quarantine lockdown period. I didn't make the wig myself, as you can see, but it was made by EA Hair, and she sent me a video of how she installed the bundles. I got two 14 inches and a lace frontal, so I decided to do a side part. I actually had this hair sent to me a while ago and I actually cut it myself and styled it myself, but somehow I misplaced the SD card. It literally disappeared, so I had to have it redone again because I obviously couldn't show you how I did it. And to be fair, the cut was quite uneven, so I think I prefer someone else cutting it for me. I couldn't see how it looked. I cut it on a mannequin, but it just wasn't even at the back, and I wanted to show you it looking nice, so I got someone else to do it for me. Well, this hair has been my go-to because it's just so easy to style. Put it on in the morning and you're good to go. And yeah, if you're looking for low maintenance, then I would definitely recommend this style for you. I have done this type of video many times before in terms of how I actually fit my lace frontals and my wigs. If you want more of an in-depth tutorial, I will link those videos in the description box as well, and also the hair company and their details. And yeah, honestly, I've literally had the hair for like 3 months or even 4 months, and it is still as good as new, hardly any shedding, and it's just really great. So yeah, let me show you how it's done, and I will catch you in my next video.